Some of you here today, you've been hiding that sin for the longest time. Some of you here today, you've been covering your sin. Nagkakaiting ka. Yung pera ng petty cash, ginagamit mo mo yung kahapong benta, pambayad ngayon. At yung benta bukas, magagamit mo, nagkakaiting ka lang. Eventually, pag inaudit ka, matutumbo ka. Because you're using money na hindi para sa'yo. Marami kang kino-cover up na sins. May mga tinatago ka, you're trying to do good, you're trying to pay off, you're trying to offset. You cannot do that because our sin is deeply embedded in our very core. Only through the intervention ni God, mababago yan. Kaya makinig ka, ikaw ngayon na nakikinig ngayon dito. Mahal ka ni Lord. In fact, kaya ka nakikinig ngayon because God loves you so much. He's telling you, anak, come to me, come as you are. Warts and all. Come as you are, as dirty as you are, as filthy as you are, you don't have to be clean before coming to God. Kasi hindi ka na malilinis kung wala kang Diyos. Hello? Lumapit ka kay Lord with all your filthiness, katulad ng prodigal son, amoy baboy siya, lumapit siya sa tatay niya, iniyakap siya, katulad ng woman on the well, katulad ng babae na binrake yung kanyang alabaster jar. Come as you are. Zacchaeus, nakipag-dinner, makasalanan pa rin naman siya noon Kaya nga, nagalit yung mga Pharisees kay Jesus. Why are you eating with tax collectors? A chief tax collector. Because Jesus will not require you to be clean before you come to Him. No. Come as you are. Come to God. He's waiting with an open arms.